This is lobster and crab and corn, but no holes. Dinner at the Seawall picnic area. Here's the K-Rab right here. Whoa. This is the underside. This is what he looks like on top. He's a pretty mean looking dude. Snip, 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 snip. This guy's name was Altador. He's no longer with us. There's his better half, quite literally. Say hi.
Hi.
And there's some corn in this bag too, but you can't really see it. Corn just looks like corn anyways, right? So it's pretty misty out here, and this guy's still going at it. Idiot. You're stupid and no one likes you. If you're stupid, then squeak. Yeah, that's right.